provide excellent care to all of the animals they call shed home. If we look into the habitat right now, we can see some of the ways in which we provide care to the animals. So let's see if we can see any of those games going on. So over here on the right, you'll see we're being joined by our special guest, Sierra. Now Sierra is touching this dolphin. When veterinarians do a medical checkup on the animals, it's very likely that they'll have to touch the animals. So it's important for us every day to touch them. And that helps them get comfortable with how that feels. Now we can see some other games going on as well. Over here to the island on the left, you'll see that Mars is holding Creed by the tail. This is the blood-taking position for dolphins. Notice though, Mars isn't actually taking blood. She's just holding the dolphin by the tail. We practice this game several times a day. It makes the rare occasions when we do actually draw blood something the animal is comfortable with, used to. We draw blood from the tail because that's where the veins are closest to the surface of the skin. There's also fewer nerve endings in the tail, so they don't feel the needle as much when we do draw blood. Back over here to the right, you'll see that Sierra and Elizabeth are giving Cottrell a nice massage on her side. That's all this is for Cottrell, a nice massage. But for